If you stick around to the end of this video, I promise you that you would be able to create a product update email just like the one that is displaying on the screen right now. So in today's video, you're going to be learning the different types of email subscription, editing of email footer, categorizing a contact as a marketing contact, and then personalizing your emails. Defining what type of email a client or a contact chooses to receive is what subscription type is all about. People subscribe to different types of emails. It could be a marketing information email, it could be a product update email, it could be a customer service communication email. A customer might choose to receive a product update email but choose not to receive a marketing information email. It is safe for you to respect their choices. Defining your email subscription type protects your brand and your legal compliance. To create or to edit your email subscription type, on the top bar menu, click on the settings icon. On the left bar menu, scroll down to marketing, click on email and select subscription type. Each subscription type you see here represents the category of email a contact chooses to subscribe or not to subscribe to. If a contact opts out of a particular email, HubSpot will block that email automatically. Bringing us to editing your email footer. It's very mandatory and compulsory that your email footer would appear at the bottom of your marketing email. By default, a proper email footer should include the company's address, company's name, unsubscribe link, email preference link, and also an optional legal text. When a client receives an email that has a company email footer at the end, it makes the client believe that this is actually a legit company. I could browse about it, their sites, their link, everything is down in this email footer. So it makes your company looks legal and professional. I have a video showing to you how to edit your email footer. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. The next thing you'll be learning today is email personalization. Using your CRM data to make sure an email looks relevant or specific to a particular individual is what is called personalization. HubSpot allows you to use contact properties, company properties, deal properties, and so on to be able to personalize your emails. Let's say you've been patronizing this brand for a very long time and then you've opted in for their product update email. One day you're going through your phone and then you receive a product update email from a brand you love so much, and it comes with hello, our latest product is now available. Just hello, which is not personalized. The second one is you receive an email that says, let's say your name is Mark or your name is Celine, and you receive an email that says, hello, Celine. It will make you feel important. You would want to even inquire more about the product. So, this is why personalization is very, very important. It makes the clients, your customers, feel seen. Also, that's giving you everything you need to be able to personalize your marketing emails. Before you're able to send a personalized marketing email in HubSpot, you have to make sure those contacts are categorized under marketing contact. That means they are marketable. Those ones that are non-marketable, you are not allowed to send a marketing email or a campaign email to them. There are three ways that you can actually make your contacts marketable. One, at the point of creation, when you're creating a contact, if you're subscribed to Market Starter Hub or Professional Hub or Enterprise Hub, HubSpot will give you the option to store the contact immediately as a marketing contact. Two would be updating an existing contact. If a contact is already stored in your CRM, you can update it to a marketing contact as far as you have their permission. To do this, head over to CRM and then to contact. Check the box next to the contact you want to make marketable. Click on more, then scroll down to set as marketing contact. Third is through automation. Let's say a lead form was created or sent out. So when somebody fills in the form, HubSpot automatically sets this contact as a marketable contact for you. I did promise you that if you stay to the end of the video that you're going to get a live tutorial, like a demo on how to create a product update email, just like the one you saw at the beginning of the video. These are the steps we're going to take in the video. First, we're going to make the contact a marketable contact. Second, change the subscription type. Third, create a product update email. And the fourth one is going to be adding a call to action. So just watch through the video and learn, and drop a comment if you need any help. Or I'm going to leave my LinkedIn link in the description. So you message me on LinkedIn if you get stuck. If you have followed the video and you've done everything correctly, you should be able to come up with this as your result. Remember to always preview and then send it as a test first before implementing it. That brings us to the end of our video. I know this video was very exciting for you. If you're serious about HubSpot, the key is to keep practicing. And also, you don't necessarily have to learn everything in the tool. I have a video discussing about different career paths you can actually choose learning HubSpot. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in our next video.